Are you tired of all these money-making methods that don't work? Do you feel like you've tried everything and you still didn't make any money? Well, this new method might be for you. It doesn't require much work and is effective. You can see results instantly. So I encourage you to stay with me to the end because in today's video I will explain this method step by step. This method is absolutely free and if you do it correctly you can make a lot of money. Throughout this video, I will be giving you valuable tips on how to increase your earnings so you can make as much money as possible. Make sure to stay with me to the end. So, without further ado, let's get into this method. So, these are the things that you will need for this method. You will need a device with internet connection, which I assume you already have and are using it to watch this video. It can be a laptop, computer, or even your phone. Let me know in the comments which device you use. Okay, this is all you need. And do you know what you won't need? You will not need experience, you will not need money, you don't even need that much time. If you do it correctly, you can make your first money in a few minutes. Okay, so for this method we will be using 3 websites. But don't worry, this method is really simple and I will explain to you step by step. So make sure you pay close attention to what I'm saying. Now let's go to the first step. The first website is Clickbank. Maybe there are some of you who have already tried to make money with this website but didn't see any results. But please don't click off because I'm gonna show you a free trick how to make your first money with this website. For those who don't know, Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace when you can get paid for selling other people's products. I know that some of you might get discouraged by the idea of affiliate marketing, but today I will show you an effective and free way to promote these products. Clickbank is a legit website and there are a lot of people who made good money selling their products. As you can see, this method is available in over 200 countries, so you can make good money in basically any country in the world. They also paid out over $4 billion. Imagine how much money this is. Okay, so this was a quick overview. I encourage you to visit this website and read about it yourself. So, if you already have an account, you can log in the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click sign up and this is what happens. You will be taken to this page. So, here you choose your country, your first and last name, your phone number, email address and password. If you don't want to give them your phone number, don't worry because they won't call you or send you any unwanted messages. Okay, so after you set up your account and log in, this is what shows up. Let's go to the marketplace. Click this icon on the left side on the screen and you will be taken to the marketplace. As you can see, there are different categories of products you can choose from. You can see categories such as business, investing, health and fitness, sport, and so on. Just go through these categories and choose what you like the most. I'm interested in health and fitness, so I will choose this category. Here you can see different products. For some of them you can get paid even $100 or more. I recommend you to click over here and choose Gravity. That way you will see which products sell the most and which products you are more likely to sell. Don't worry, you don't need any selling skills. I will show you a useful free website that will help you sell these products. Just stay with me. Okay, so let's choose a product. I will choose this custom keto diet because it sells well and is quite cheap compared to other products, which means more people are likely to buy it. I'm gonna click promote and this is the window that pops up. You just put your username here and click generate hub link. Then it will generate this unique link and you'll get paid every time someone purchases this product using your link. So now I have my link and what's next? Let's go to the next step. The next website I'm about to show you is snip.ly. This website helps you add a free ad to every website you share. Yes, you've heard me correctly. You can set up free ads on any website you want. You can get started for free and a free account is absolutely all you need to get started. If you get some experience, you can get a premium account, but for now, let's create a free account. Let's click Sign in the top right corner, and this is what pops up. You can sign up with Twitter or Facebook. You can also sign up with just your email and name. You don't need to put your real name if you don't want to. Okay, so after you create your account, just log in. And this is your dashboard. And I will explain to you how to use this website. But first, let's go to Google and find an article related to the product we chose in the previous step. In my case, it was the keto diet. So maybe let's search benefits of a keto diet. Let's choose the first website that pops up. This is a professional looking website where we can read about a keto diet. It's already a good ad for our product, and after reading this article, people might be actually interested in buying a custom keto diet that we will advertise. Okay, so for now, let's go back to Sniply. Let's click Call to Actions, and we're gonna create a new ad. This is what pops up. The first step is brand, and you just have to find a nice looking photo and name related to a keto diet. Let's just put anything here. In the next step, you paste your URL. You also have to come up with some interesting sentence. For example, check out our custom keto diet. You can select either a button or a link. In my opinion, a button looks way better. So let's choose a button. Then we will add a button text. I recommend click here because most ads have this text and usually it works best. Let's go to the next step, which is customization. Here you can choose things like the color of your ad and the way it looks. You have different styles to choose from. Just try them and choose what you like the most. Then choose some nice colors. I recommend that you choose colors similar to the website from the article that you chose, because it will look more professional and more people will trust you. After you've finished, click Finish CTA. Okay, so now our ad is done and ready to post. Now let's add it to our link. I'm gonna copy the link to the article. Now I will open Sniply links here on the left. Then I will click New Snip in the top right corner, and this is what opens up. We paste the link to the